Welcome students of class 4. Today we are going to start a new lesson, that is lesson number 3, working with Windows 7. So the explanation of this lesson will consist of 3 or 4 parts, that is 3 or 4 videos will be given. So this is the first part, working with Windows 7 lesson. So in this lesson we will cover this following topics as listed here, mainly about the introduction, features, how to start Windows, start buttons, shortcut buttons, files and folders, how we can create, share, rename, open, delete files and folders. Okay, so this section I will show you practically how to create files, how to rename, how to open, how to delete files and folders. Okay, so let us begin first of all with the introduction to Windows 7. Now, what is Windows 7? As all of you know, Windows 7 is a operating system developed by Microsoft. So what is operating system then? The operating system is the interface between various hardware devices. It also acts as the interface between computer and the user. That is when you sit in front of a computer, you can interact with the computer like the monitor, mouse, keyboard with the help of only the operating system. So the important line I have underlined here. Now let us go to the features of Windows 7. What are the things which are there in Windows 7 which makes it very popular? First of all, the first feature is it has themes. So what is a theme? So theme is nothing but it is a combination of your desktop background, how the background of the desktop will look, how the nature of the icons will look, mouse colors, mouse cursor, sound schemes, all together are bundled up in a package called themes. You can get that theme from the control panel or from the personalize. After when you right click on the desktop, you'll get the personalize option, and from there you can select whatever theme you want it. Okay, so there are so many themes. You can select any of the theme and that theme will appear. Okay, so if I click on this one, so theme changes. So like this you can change your themes from this section, from the personalization section after when you right click on the desktop. Next is desktop slideshow. What is this one? It will change the wallpaper. Now you are seeing the wallpaper here, this one. This wallpaper will be changed after certain time interval. Okay, it's whatever interval is specified by the user. Now where can you set that interval? If you go to this section, again I'm starting from the first. If you right click on the desktop, go to personalize, then you go to desktop background. Okay, click on the desktop background, and from here at the bottom part, change picture every whatever you need, set the time. Okay, so select all the pictures. So all the pictures has been selected. Then you select the time after 12 hours, 30 minutes, 20 minutes, 15 minutes. You can click on shuffle, save changes. So after every 15 minutes, the wallpaper will be changed automatically. Next is libraries. Windows has libraries. It has speed, compatible. Now what is library? Library is a feature which provides a central place for managing your files and folder. Now if you open computer, you'll get the library section. So in this library section, you can see documents, you can keep music, pictures, videos, you can keep here in the separate folders. Okay, so if you click on music, you get the music files and all whatever are there, pictures, you can store the pictures in your computer. So it is very organized. Then Windows 7 you have high speed, it is faster than the previous version of Windows. Compatible, Windows 7 is more compatible than previous version of Windows. Any type of software or hardware you can put into your computer and Windows 7 will support. Okay, which was not the case with the earlier version of Windows. Then lower hardware requirement. Windows 7 needs very few changes in the hardware. That is why it is supported by multiple hardware types. So you require very lesser hardware requirement, like for example less memory, okay, to run Windows 7. Then it has start menu, taskbar and notification area. It has a sniping tool. Now what is the start menu? This is the start button. When you click, you get the start menu to launch your programs. Then you have the taskbar and the notification area. This bar where I am pointing my mouse, this is called the taskbar, okay, at the bottom. It contains the start button, as you can see here, and the quick launches here. You can click here and it will open up the application quickly. Then you have the time and date on the right hand side, okay, sound buttons here. So various things are there in the taskbar, which contains notification area also, and the quick launch bar like this one here. This is the quick launch bar, okay. Then Windows sniping tool. What is Windows sniping tool? It is an application to capture screenshots in the computer. Let us see how to operate this one. I click on start button, go to all programs, then go to accessories, you click, then you get the sniping tool. So the sniping tool will open up. Now here it says drag the cursor around the area you want to capture. Now I want to capture this part. So this is captured. See, a picture is captured. Okay, so this picture is captured with the help of a sniping tool. It is just like the screenshot in your mobile phone. Okay, so I don't want to save, click on no. So these are some of the features of Windows. Now the next section is starting Windows. How you can start Windows? Of course, you have to start the computer. After some time, you have to log in with your password and log in the user details. After that, you'll get this kind of screen, okay, with the start buttons and the desktop and the icons here, okay. So you'll get the desktop. So this area is called the desktop. Okay, the whole area is called the desktop and it contains icons, start buttons, the taskbar, okay, desktop background. These are the things available here. So you get the desktop background, you get the icons, small pictures here of the applications and file. These are called icons. Then you have the start button here, and at the taskbar. This long bar is called the taskbar at the bottom. Okay, it contains icons. So this is the icon of my application which I am running currently, and other icons are there which you can open, okay, by clicking. So this completes the first part. The next part will be discussed in the second video. Okay.